is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today we are going to see how to find the prime factors of the given number by using the factor tree and the division or the shortcut division method. There is a difference between the finding the factors of a number and finding prime factors of a number. Prime factors means the numbers which are prime numbers. Okay, so find the prime factorization using the factor tree. How we can draw the factor tree, I'll show you. Let's start. We are having a number 32. It's an even number, so I'll advise you to start choosing the numbers in the ascending order. It means from 1 to 9, as when we were finding the factors of the number we were checking from 1 to 9, right? No, we were checking in the table of numbers from 1 to 9. Similarly, we if we'll go in the ascending order, it will be more easy for us. So you will not choose 1 because each and every number is divisible by 1, and as we have to find the prime factor, so 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Now 32 is a even number, so I'll start by 2. If I'll divide by 2, what is the question I'm going to get? I'll get here 16, right? 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Now again 16 is an even number, so again I can divide by 2. 2 8s are 16, right? Now 8 is again an even number, so 2 4s are 8. 4 is again an even number, so by 2 I can divide. 2 2s are 4. Now what you have to do, you have to circle the prime numbers. So I'm circling the prime numbers. How many numbers I have got here? I have got here 5 times 2. See here, 1 2 3 4 5. So after doing the whole process, you have to write the factors of the given number. So how you will able to write? You have to write 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now this is known as the prime factorization. Okay, I'll show you another way how to find the factors of 32. See here, 32. I can write 8 4s are 32. Yes, because 32 is also divisible by 8, and when I'm dividing by 8, I'm getting 4. 8 I can write 2 4s are 8, and 4 I can write 2 2s are 4. Now this 4 I can write 2 2s are 4, right? Now circle the prime numbers. So 2 2 2 2 2. Again I have got the same answer, 5 times 2. So any one way you can use. Let's take other number 48. This is our number. If I will divide by 2, because again it's an even number, so I'll divide by 2. I will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again if I'll divide by 2, what is the question I'm going to get? I will get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again it's a even number, so I will divide by 2. Just a minute. And I'm getting 2 6 are 6 will be the question. Again it's in, just a minute, let me write this number with blue color so it will be easy for you all to understand. Now again if I'm dividing by 2, because 6 is an even number, I'll get 2 3s are 6. So what are the prime numbers I'm getting here? 2 2 2 2 and 3. You have to circle only the prime numbers. So what is the prime factorization now? Write all the numbers which are circled. 2 2 2 2 into 3. 4 times 2, 1 times 3. What is the other way to find the factorization of 48? See here, 48 I can write, sorry I have written 42. 48 I can write 8 6 are 48, right? Again I can write here 2 4s are 8, and for 6 what I can write? I can write 2 3s are 6, Now this 4 I can write 2 2s are 4. So what are the prime numbers I'm getting? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So again I got 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. Any one way you can choose, but my favorite way is going in the ascending order of the numbers from 1 to 9. Next example. 56. How we can find the factors of 56 by factor tree? See here, again 56 is an even number, so I will start by 2. When I'm dividing by 2, I'm getting a question. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. So I'm getting 28. You can divide 56 in 2 by 2 in rough and you can check, you will get 28. Again, it's an even number, so by 2 I'll divide. I will get 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again 14 is an even number, so I'll divide by 2. I will get 2 sevens are 14. Now what are the prime numbers I have got here? 2, 2, 2 and 7. So how I will write the answer? 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. It is very compulsory to put this equal to ka sign and into ka sign between the prime factors. Similarly, you can find the factors of 56 by 7 8s are 56. This way also you can go ahead. I'll show you how. See here. 56, I can write 7 8s are 56. Then I can divide this as, just a minute, as 4 2s are 8, right? Then I can divide this 4 as 2 2s are 4. So again I will get the same factors, 1 7 and 3 times 2. I think it's clear, students. Any one method you can choose. It is not compulsion that you have to do by this way only. Next example, 64. So let's find out the factors of 64. Again it's an even number, so I will start by 2. When I'm dividing by 2, I'm getting the question. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again an even number, I'll divide by 2. 2 16s are 32. Again even number, so I'll divide by 2. So 2 8s I'm getting 16. Again even number, I'll divide by 2. 2 4s I'm getting, right? Again even number, so I'll divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. So how many times I'm getting 2? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I'm getting 2 6 times. So how I will write factors of 64? 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is very compulsory that after finding the prime factors you have to write this line, otherwise you will lose your marks. Next number is 72. Let's go ahead. Again I'm getting an even number, so I will divide by 2. When I'm dividing, I'm getting question. 2 3s are, let me write with blue color, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Again even number, so I'll divide by 2. 2 18s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 18s I'm getting 36. Again even number, so I'll divide by 2. 2 9s I'm getting. Now 9 is not an even number, it is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. So what are the prime factors? Circle them. I'm getting 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. So how I will write the factors? 72 is equal to, just a minute, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. Next number is 96. Again even number, so I will start by 2 only. When I'm dividing by 2, I'm getting a quotient. 2 4s are 8, right? And what will be the next number? 2 8s are 16. So I'm getting 48 here. Again even number, so I'll divide by 2. I'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again even number, I'll divide by 2. What I'm getting here, this time I'll get 12. Again even number, I'll divide by 2. 2 6 I'm getting 12. And for the 6 I can write 2 3s are 6. So what are the prime factors I'm getting here? 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 and 1 times 3. So how I'll write the factors? 96 is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5 times 2 and 1 times 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 and 32 3s are 96. This is the way to check the factors. Next is 100. Again a even number. I will divide by 2. When I'm dividing by 2 I'm getting 50. Let me change the color. Yes, 50. Again 50 is an even number, so again I'll divide by 2. When I'm dividing by 2 I'm getting 25. Now 25 is not an even number, so it is divisible by 5. Yes, it is coming in the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. So what are the prime factors I have got? 2 times 2 and 2 times 5. So 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now we will see how to find the prime factors of the given number by using shortcut division method. For this method we have to make column like this. The way will be same. I will go in the ascending order. I'm going to check from 1 to 9, not 1 to 9, 2 to 9. Now 45 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number, but before moving to 5, because I am aware that 45 is divisible by 5, I will check for 3. So what is the rule saying? Add the digits and check. So 5 plus 4 I am getting 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 45 will also be divisible by 3. When I'm dividing by 3, I'm getting 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So I'm getting 15. Now again this 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 fives are 15. Now this 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5. So how we are doing here? We are dividing by this number and writing the question down. We are dividing 15 by 3 and writing the question down. We are dividing 5 by 5 and writing the question down. How we are going to write the factors? 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. We have to write these factors. Understood? Next question, 70. How I'll start? I'll make the column, write this number. Now 70 is an even number, so I'll start by 2. When I'm dividing by 2, I'm getting 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, that is 35. Now 35 is divisible by 5, but first I have to check for 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so 35 will also be not divisible by 3. So I can divide by 5. I'll get 5 sevens are 35. Now I can divide this 7 by 7 only because it's a prime number. So what are the factors I got? 2, 5 and 7. Next number is 144. Again it's an even number. So by which number you will start? By 2. So after dividing, what is the question? 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Again even number, divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again even number, divide by 2. 2 18s are 36. Let me write with the blue color. 2 18s are 36. Again it's an even number, so I'll divide by 2. 2 9s are 18. Again it's an even number. No, it's not an even number. 9 is an odd number and it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now 3 is divisible by 3 only, so 3 ones are 3. So what are the factors I have got here? 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. that is 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. So this was the last sum. I think both the methods, the factor tree method and the shortcut division methods, are clear to you. If you think that this video is going to help your friends also and you also, please share with your friends so that they will be also getting the benefit of these videos. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.